Time traveling. Everyone once wanted to have the power to time travel in the past or the future to save their loved ones. But until now, there haven't been any signs of time traveling. But time travel is possible in anime. So here are some best time travel anime that you need to watch if you ever wish to have the power to time travel in real life. Before we start, be sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of new videos. Number 10. Anuyasha. Anuyasha follows the story of a young girl by the name of Kagoma Higurashi, who was dragged into a well by a cursed demon. Kagoma was sent 500 years back in time, during the Sengoku period. Also, there was a jewel inside of her body. I forgot to tell that. After battling with a demon, the jewel inside of her breaks into pieces. Kagoma then forms a pact with Anuyasha in order to prevent the shattered jewel pieces from getting into the wrong people's hands. Number 9. The Girl Who Leapt Through Time. Makoto Kono is in her last year of high school, but she's having a really hard time deciding what she wants to do in the future, what university she wants to go to, and what she wants to become when she grows up. But suddenly, Makoto finds something strange. She finds an ability within her that lets her leap through time. Soon later, she finds out that every choice has a different and unique consequence, and things aren't as easy as they seem. It's really fun seeing her having fun with her ability. Number 8. Buddy Complex. Buddy Complex mixes mechs and time traveling at the same time, and that makes this anime interesting and fun to watch. A young boy named Aoba Watase is suddenly getting targeted by some strange robot called Valiancer. Oba was then saved by his classmate Hina Yumihara, who turns out to be a time traveler. Hina offers Oba to go 70 years forward in time in order to prevent Oba from dying. This anime is a great series to watch for the time traveling fans and the mech otakus, or if you are both a mech otaku and a time traveling fan, then this anime is for you. Number 7. The Future Diary. Yukiteru Amano is a 14-year-old shy and daydreaming loner who observes life and jots down the events on his cell phone. His only friends are Deus Ex Machina, the god of space and time, and his assistant Murumuru. Deus gave Yukiteru a future diary. It doesn't exactly let the actual time change, but the diary can predict the future in some ways. This might be a little interesting. Number 6. Erased. Time traveling is already a lot of fun. But what if you also add some adventure to it? That's just a great combination. Everyone wished they had the power to even go a few minutes back in time to stop an accident or possibly a tragedy. There's a tragedy happening at our main character place. Everyone's scared and screaming, and that's when our main character comes in. Satoru Fujinuma is able to go back in time before the tragedy was about to happen. With the help of that, Satoru was able to save many lives. But sadly, Satoru was accused of murdering someone who was close to him. So this time he was sent 18 years past in order to find the cause of this. This has a large story, but I don't wanna spoil this further. Number 5. The ambition of Oda Nobunaga. Suddenly finding himself in the Sengoku period, average high school student Yoshiharu Sagara is about to be killed on the battlefield. He is saved by none other than the man who would later become the respected Toyotomi Hideyoshi, but at the cost of the latter's life. With the course of history altered as a result of these events, Yoshiharu tries to make things right again. Yoshiharu, however, is surprised to discover that the people he meets, the places he encounters, and the historical events he is dragged into are somewhat different than what he remembers from his favorite Sengoku era video game. Nobunaga's ambition. Yoshiharu soon discovers that, in this version of the Sengoku period, Oda Nobunaga does not exist, instead being replaced by a young woman named Oda Nobunaga, who holds his position as a daimyo. Yoshiharu begins working under Nobunaga's command, who nicknames him Saru with hopes of correcting the course of history and finding his way back home to the present-day world. Number 4. Steins Gate. This anime has a confusing story in the first few episodes, and a lot of people quit watching it. But wait, don't quit yet. If you didn't understand anything, let me explain the story of this. This anime follows the story of a mad scientist by the name of Rintaro Okabe, who lives in an old building. Rintaro has two other members in his lab. One is a hacker, Daru, and Rintaro's childhood friend, Ashida Itaru. These three make some strange gadgets, like a phone microwave, that turns a banana into a pile of green gel. But wait, it does require the phone to run. So that's a new invention LMAO. Who knew that this phone microwave could be so serious that it can change the flow of the current future they are living in? Number 3. Re:Zero. Another popular anime on this list. Re:Zero follows the story of Natsuki Subaru, who randomly gets transported into another world. But wait, before you think that this is isekai, yes it is. But it includes time traveling. Whenever Subaru dies, he gets sent back in time. He is basically immortal. He still feels pain though. Subaru uses this opportunity to save many lives. So basically he time travels back in time, wherever his last checkpoint was. Number 2. Your Name. This movie follows the story of a girl by the name of Mitsuha Miyamizu, a normal high school student who wanted to live a life as a boy. Taki Takibana, who is also a high school student living a busy life while doing a part-time job. One day, Mitsuha wakes up in Taki's body, while Taki wakes up in Mitsuha's body. So how does this include time traveling? Let me explain. The thing is that Mitsuha exists 3 years before Taki does. They both start to search for each other, but Taki later finds out that Mitsuha was dead. The way Mitsuha died was that one day, she saw a comet that was going to hit the town she was living in, and so it did. Number 1. Tokyo Revengers. Tokyo Revengers, one of the most popular anime of 2021. So does this include time traveling? Our main character Takemichi, who broke up with his girlfriend 12 years ago. But one day, when he was watching television, he came to notice the news, and it was about Takemichi's girlfriend who died. Now, Takemichi gets a flashback of the time he was still dating his girlfriend. Also, the girlfriend's name was Hinata. He burst into tears and went to Hinata's brother. But something strange happened. When Takemichi shook hands with Naoto, Hinata's brother, He was sent back 12 years in time. With that opportunity, he swore to save Hinata from dying. Alright everyone. That is it from today's video. If you think we have missed someone, or you have a different ranking in mind, don't forget to comment down below. And if you like this video, then do share with your friends.